your hands to her level. Taking a moment, dedicate your practice. Dedicate this special time. Connecting to your breath. Expanding the chest cavity to feel the air coming through. Feeling alive, energized. Slowly open your eyes. I'm gonna go over some stretching. We can grab a big block or two small blocks, or look for something that you can replace. So placing your legs together, extending your right arm, taking a big step to the right. So I let my left knee to drop and creating a 90-degree between my legs, my hips, and my right leg, extending here and open. Breathe in and out. One more breath. Inhale, coming back to center. Placing legs together, switching arms, getting left hand on your block. Big step to the right, to the left, and dropping right knee. Opening the chest and breathe here. In and out through the nose. And slowly back to center, hands together, supporting your block in here, placing your feet hip distance apart, extending the arms, in and out, and gently exhale, placing the block down. So we can have one or two, depend on how deep can you go. We are working now on getting hands completely down to the mat. So we take a deep inhale, open your knees wide, and exhale, arms extend, reach down. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. So we can open in the hips in here. Try to lift your chin. Try to keep your arms straight. If you need to get support, a block, or don't get down completely, is okay. Your body slowly open. Just feel the sensations in your body. What is challenging you? In and out. One more. try to challenge your body, pressing your feet, lifting your hands, and hold there halfway. Get the weight on your feet. In and out, feeling your quads super active in here. Tilt in, pelvis forward, belly in and out. One more. Inhale, coming up, and exhale, let's release. Getting legs together. Let's just do a small twist in here. Open side to side. So if you don't reach like me, I'm tiny, so I cannot get my legs completely in a 45-degree angle here. I can place the blocks down and I can create that shape of 90 degrees so I can sit tall. Legs getting together, taking a deep inhale, extending, keeping knees closer, opening the arms to the side, in and out. One more, and exhale. Let's switch. Inhale, extend, in and out. Breathe. One more. Exhale. Release. Hands holding your chair, creating that lengthening in the spine, taking a deep inhale, getting right leg over your left leg, and trying to get that foot behind your calf. So try to keep your hips square. Let's just try to do this pose. Extending the arms, right hand under, left hand on the top, and try to get your hands in prayer. Shoulders are down and relax. Just breathe. One more. And release. Holding the chair. And when we release, let's make some circles here. Open, wider and wider, and reverse. Back to center. Left side. Extending, going over, and helping that foot come behind. One side different than the other. And that's it. Opposite arms, prayer, breathe. In and out. One more. And release, extend, and slowly make circles. Hold your body, hold the hands on your chair. Just keep working, moving that leg, creating circles, And to the opposite side. One more. And back to center. Hands on the top of your knees. So pressing the hands, getting the chest forward. And rounding the spine, coming up. Lifting chin, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, one more. And exhale. Hold in. Try to reach down. Squaring hips. In and out. In and out. One more. Slowly extending your arms. Sitting on your chair. Breathe. Engage in those arms. Even if you feel tired, it's okay. Relax and come back again. Keep just reminding your body what the body can do. One more breath. On the exhale, hands in prayer, getting legs together, taking a deep inhale. Twisting your body to the right. Try to look over your right shoulder. Just keep breathing. One more. And gentle inhale coming up. Center, exhale. The other side. Keeping your knees forward. Tucking that belly in. Going deeper and deeper. Twisting. Breathe. And exhale. Back to center. Deep inhale, arms up. Exhale, open. Inhale, up. Exhale, open. Inhale, up. Exhale, open. Next one. Inhale, up, lacing fingers. Releasing index and crossing thumbs. And exhale. Right side. Keep opening, lengthening. In and out. One more. Inhale, back to center. Exhale. Left side. Straightening the arms. Try to keep looking up. Look into your arms. Look into your hands. Whatever is available for you. One more breath. Coming back to center. And exhale. Let's release. Moving the shoulders. Moving your head. Taking a moment, getting hands in prayer. Activating your heart chakra. Opening your hips. Grateful for this present moment. Here and now. Be the change